Look out! I'll ask Ted Glenn to bring his lads and have a look at that said Pat. Bye. Farewell, Pat. Sam Waldron was just along the road. It's Pat, said Sam. The roads are flooding up the valley. The old van get me through, said Pat. I'll just take a bunch. The wife loves them. Thank you. Thanks, Pat. Jess was glad to stay in the van to keep out of the wet. They were getting into the hills when they saw Mrs. Thompson standing in the road waving to make them stop. Hello, Mrs. Thompson. What's going on? Said Pat. There are terrible floods in the top fields, Pat. And the water's brought tons of earth down and blocked the road. Come and see. Oh, dear me, said Pat. Can't we telephone the village for help? No, the lines are down. Well, can't we walk round it? No, it's too dangerous with these floods. And you could be buried if the land started to slip again. Here comes Alf. He's going to try to get his tractor. Do you think you can do it? Said Pat. I'll have a try. Off he went at top speed. And got stuck. It's no good, said Alf. We'll have to get help somehow. Then Bill came with his model aeroplane. I know, he said. We can put a message on my plane and I can fly it across to Greendale Farm to get help. It's radio controlled, see? What a good idea, lad. We'll send an airmail letter. So Pat scribbled a note. That'll do it. He tied it to the plane with a bit of Alf's binder twine. Good luck. Let's hope it gets through. Oh, I think he'll manage it. He's a clever lad. He built it himself, you know. Bill started the engine, and off it flew. Away she goes. That's better than a van. I wonder if I could It seemed ages since the plane had gone. Pat was just thinking it must have crashed when he heard a powerful engine coming up the road on the other side of the block. It was Peter Fogg on his new tractor with the bull. Got your message? Mind your back! Oh. Thanks, Peter. Right! Pat waved Sam Waldron through. There was just enough room. Ted Glenn was the wall for Mr. Pottage. Pat had remembered something. Can you go and have a look at the church roof, Ted? The Rev got the church full of buckets. I'll pop along when I've finished this wall. In rain. It makes no end of work. Miss Hubbard was on her way to choir practice. I'd turn back if I were you, said Pat. Or you might have to swim home. Swim? Said Miss Hubbard. It'll take more than a rain to stop me. And on she went. I'll be on my way too, said Pat. Cheerio. As Pat wound his way along the valley, it looked like rain again. But there was a warm to look forward to. When all the had been delivered. Postman Pat, Postman Pat, Postman Pat and his black cat. Bum, 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 bum.